Today, we're going to do a quick video on how to install your ShockIQ. We recommend that you measure and pre-drill your holes, and once your pilot holes are in place, take your bracket with a self-tapping screw and put it in place. Another option to mount your ShockIQ bracket is with the provided hose clamp. You'll see that the band goes through the holes of the bracket, around the post, and is tightened with the screw behind it. Then you simply line up the screws on the back side of your ShockIQ unit with the bracket and attach. This is your ground wire. It is very important that it is screwed into a solid ground. We recommend that you take the wire, tuck it behind the box, and get it out of the way. This is your water probe. Drop it into the water and make sure it's no more than 12 inches deep. If you have excess cable, we recommend that you pull it out, fold your cable to the desired height, and zip tie it to the bottom of your pole. Once you plug in your ShockIQ, it's going to automatically default to setting 2. Refer to the owner's manual for additional settings. To adjust the volume of your alarm, simply spin the dial until you find the desired volume. To cut the alarm off, hold down the test button for another full second, and the alarm will go off. To change your ShockIQ's sensitivity settings, enter configuration mode by hitting the reset button. The indicator light will begin flashing back and forth between red and green, indicating that it is now in configuration mode. Once in configuration mode, tap the test button to desired setting. The ShockIQ will chirp back in equal amount of times to your desired setting. The configuration light will continue to flash for an additional 60 seconds. The light will then become solid and return to operational mode. Your ShockIQ unit is now ready to use.